What's up, Alex?
Didn't make it.
The pig didn't make it, guys. The pig didn't make it. So we're here today. We got a dyno day going on. It's a Sunday. It's cold. Roasting a pig up.
Nice. We're gonna make our own heat.
We didn't know our tuner guy is also a chef. You're a chef too, Alex?
Hey man, man's gotta eat.
You got a rotisserie or no?
No man, we got a cajachina, bro, just like in Miami.
A who?
You don't. Oh, you lived in Fort Lauderdale. That's right. You don't. You never go.
You ready, bro?
Yes.
Yeah.
One.
Hey, what's going on, guys? What's up, Alex? What's up, Alex?
The wolf. The wolf is what's up.
The wolf. So this is an LS swap Volvo wagon. It does have a 67mm turbo on it. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh, that's so cool.
Come on. Everybody's 84 Volvo has.
26?
Yeah, but it's what it was at.
What'd you say?
Everybody's 1984 Volvo. There's an option in the 84.
You can get the touch screen.
I hear that worst case, you open it. Woo, like you open down. Like you open and close. It's open and closing. Huh? He's messing with the controls on it. I mean, that time it overboost. I have overboost cut on it. Yeah, the thing is because like they cut it, they try to close it, and then they open it, right, and it goes down, open it. And that's so good. No, it has to be like solid boost, like like it's the problem. That's the problem with I hear it. I can hear it. It's like open and close. Yeah. Whoa, when they make up, you got some egg on your face.
It's very rich.
Thanks for the lookout, bud.
And the boost is not steady. What spring does he have on it? Very light. Wing boga has a very light spring on it.
20 pounds, 30 pounds?
No.
The spring? No. It's
Light.
a low, yeah.
Very
I had
light.
2 springs that's got the light spring, so what is it, like 5? It's
That's probably part of the problem.
Yeah, I thought we have 120, 115, while you have probably 35.
You need to have like a 10-pound spring in it. Because what happens is the wastegate opens prematurely and the wheel speed slows down. So it won't maintain a boost. You have to keep it shut. You have a very light spring on it.
Well, maybe
You got a new fastener? You ready? Ready, go!
Yeah, bro. It needs a bigger spring. So what's happening in here is, oh fuck, I keep unplugging this shit, man. So what's happening here is that the spring for the wastegate is like a 5-pound spring, and so the wastegate keeps opening and closing, so it's not getting enough boost. So weight reduction matters.
We need more boost.
Guys, this is factory. They all come in the placards. That cam though, look at the door moving.
Hey, you ready?
A little better. Hey, we gotta say grace first. Hey, bro, we gotta pray first.
Blessed Heavenly Father, we thank you for this wonderful, great friends, time together. Heavenly Father, we thank you for all the blessings you've given us in 2018, and we pray for more in 2019. Thank you. We love you, Heavenly Father. In Jesus' name.
Amen.
Thank you. You asked me to pray for them.
That's good, brother. You're supposed to, man. Everybody's quiet now. Ain't nobody talking.
So nobody wants to.
What's up, bro?
Living it up, man.
What we got going on here? What is this today?
We got Evans 300C with the supercharger.
Yeah.
Let's see if it delivers that 450 horsepower that we've been
Stock
talking about.
engine. Is it a
Stock engine with a charger installed and tuned by Pollo Performance.
Who?
Right here, Pollo.
This guy? This guy right here.
Camaro. It's cheaper and strong. Hey. No.
What's up? Yeah, so we got quite a bit of cars here, good selection. You excited now, huh? You finally getting it dynoed. What's up, bro? You having fun?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Fighting, Nation.
You party?
¿Me paso una cerveza?
So this shop is not about who has a better car, who has a faster car. What we're here about, we're here to make sure we do the job right. And the shop here, man, we're a family environment, man. Look at this. So this is the Chrysler 300S. This was the one that was in my other video. This actually is an SRT swap. It does have a Scat Pack engine in it. So we're about to dyno it. He got a different computer. We've been waiting for the computer to tune it. So here this one goes. So. Hey, what's up, bro?
Hey,
What you doing, man? What are we waiting on?
we are doing the download on the tuning software for this car. This Scat Pack swap 300C or S or whatever it is.
It's an S. S. What does the S stand for? Sport? Sport? Super slow.
This is the white girl right here. You should look at. See down here.
Oh, the white girl. I can't
This is the
see it.
white
Oh,
girl.
get your light on your phone, bro. Flash your light.
Everybody's car gets a nickname, and you can bet.
So this car is called the white girl. The white girl. He even got it on the floor mats.
It is.
Look at that.
Than the models. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying not to dirty that up, and this car should kick some butt. Should make 400 horsepower. But we got a little tuning issues. We're gonna sort out and try it out. Try to help them out. You know, want everybody to make big power in the new year. Our resolution.
That's the That's the woo, big power for the new year.
Everybody comes out here and make a little more power than they came in.
Hey, so we're dining. It's a 6.2 CTSV. Hopefully, we're trying to get around 550. So what's going on, bro? What you doing?
Living it up, man. Living it up.
Yeah, you having a blast, bro?
It's a good time, man. I love this.
Skyline. He's gonna do a launch. So let's see how this goes.
This is where you hit the like and subscribe button.